Hi, I'm Katie Nobles.
And I'm disability attorney Michael Einer.
And you're watching The Bottom Line. Today's topic, can you draw Social Security if you are in bankruptcy? Michael, tell us a little bit about this. Break it down for us.
Yeah, so this is a common question that we get a lot. And it's sad, but the reality is that because of how long it takes to get Social Security disability benefits, many of our clients unfortunately slip into bankruptcy while they're waiting for their claim to be approved. And so the short answer to your question is, can you file for bankruptcy while receiving Social Security? Or also, what are the things to keep in mind? Yes, you absolutely can receive Social Security disability while in bankruptcy. And in fact, Social Security benefits are exempted from bankruptcy laws. You want to make sure to check with your state, because some states have state-specific rules for bankruptcy, but under the traditional Chapter 7 and Chapter 13 bankruptcies, Social Security disability benefits are exempt. Here's one very important tip that I always want to make sure people are aware of, though, which is to avoid commingling funds. So when somebody is approved for disability while going through the bankruptcy process, I always tell them, make sure you have a separate bank account set up for the Social Security payments that you're going to receive. And the answer is because if instead you were to just pool all your assets into one pot, it can become very difficult for creditors to figure out what's Social Security and what's not. And you don't want there to be any negative presumption that the money that's in that account did not come from Social Security, and thus it could be an asset that's taken from you. But by putting it into a separate account every month, where your Social Security check is the only money that goes in there, it's pretty clear that that's money that can't be touched. So those are just some considerations for people who are going through bankruptcy while going through the disability process.
All right, Michael, well, thank you so much for answering yet again another question. If you have a question that you'd like to see us answer right here on The Bottom Line, you can do that on our website. That's linerlegal.com.